Every day at IIT Kharagpur looks different. Every morning, one thing stays the same: the commitment to become a better version of myself. This is my day, a day in the life of a 22-year-old chasing dreams. I wake up at 6 am. No matter how tired I am, I get up because discipline is always greater than the motivation. Creatine, shoes, and I'm out. The day has officially begun. The gym is where I reset my mind. It's where the doubts shut down and the discipline takes over. This 1 hour sets the tone for everything that comes after. This physical activity, they didn't just build my body, it built my mind. Try it. Give your mornings a purpose. I know it's hard to wake up early. I know it's easier to scroll. But trust me, nothing changes until you change. Back to the hostel. Quick shower, breakfast. I keep it simple, enough to fuel the day, not slow it down. By 8:30, I'm out for classes. It's class time now, but since I already have my placement offer, I'll be honest. I attend most classes mainly for attendance, but today is different. It's Pawan Sir's class. He is a legend who cracked IIT twice with All India Rank 2, and still one of the most simple and the humble professors on campus. Between classes, I usually get a break, so I grab an Nescafe coffee, find a quiet corner, and finish my work, assignments, coding, or whatever I'm building that day. And once all the classes are done, it's finally time for the lunch. Lunch at IIT Kharagpur, well, it's not exactly my type of food. Most days I end up cooking in my room, but sometimes I get stuck in the mess line and just eat whatever they serve. Final year means just 2 classes. Once they are done, I escape to the library, Asia's biggest. The silence there feels different. It slows you down, but somehow pushes you to do more. So I sit, open my laptop, and finish everything I can before the clock hits 5 pm. This is where the real work happens, quiet, consistent, unseen. By evening, I have already finished half of my goals in the library. So I take a walk towards the lakeside. The sunset, the silence, it just resets everything. Sometimes I carry a book and read there for a while. And when my mind feels clear again, I head towards the market. One of the best parts of IIT Kharagpur is the campus ecosystem. From tech market to cafes, everything for a student lives is right here. And somehow this place always feel alive. I cook my dinner myself sometimes, not because I have to, but because it reminds me that I can rely on me. Independence isn't always loud. Sometimes it's just a quiet meal you made with your own hands. Nights are for learning. These quiet hours shape the future I'm trying to build, one chapter at a time. Most people end their day here. I add one more chapter. Since my mind gets heavy, I take a walk or go skating around the campus. It reminds me that I'm alive, that I'm young, and that this journey is mine. There's something magical about IIT Kharagpur at 11 pm. The cold air, the empty roads, and the silence. It helps me understand myself a little more. And before I sleep, I edit these logs. Because storytelling is how I remind myself of the progress I'm making. Because as many times as I might have failed to achieve my goals, I still made progress. That's the beauty of life. Your next move might just be the life-changing one. So don't give up too soon. Keep building, keep grinding. And I'll see you soon with my next video.